Aloha and welcome. Shout out to the subscribers to this channel. Really appreciate it. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. And we are day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And this is the price action order flow charts that are influencing my Monday trade plan and market thesis. So we'll get to it with price action order flow levels Monday, March 6, 2023. Here's the charts. Let's look at this 24-hour chart last Friday. We got this huge green body candle. So that is a total buy-side imbalance, sell-side inefficiency. So the red candle here is where we're at. And you can see we have a new week open gap here. And that is coming in at 32.2. And the lower part of that cyan color is 30.8. If price goes below on a mean reversion basis, somewhere between 25 and 22.4 right here, pretty shallow on the retracement. I am looking to see that possibly we've got buy-side liquidity up above this higher level with this other level right here, and that's coming in at 48.50. So I am going to see that there is an extension bullish here, but I'm not willing to take longs day before the Powell meeting. That's enough for the 24-hour. The only thing I've got to say is this double low last week here with these two yellow circles was very key on a temporary basis. I'm not saying we can't come back and break these lows, and that is coming in at 1875. But for now, we definitely have some escape velocity. Let's go to the 60-minute chart next. So for more day trading clarity, we've got the 60-minute here, and you can see last Friday here after lunch how we had this escape velocity candle, and this created a fair value gap. So if there's trapped traders below right now where we are on Monday, it's back from Friday here, and this zone is 21.7 to 14.1. So if we get a piece of this back today, my guess would be 20 to 19.1. The next fair value gap above is coming in at 23.8 and 25.2, and you can see we almost touched it here with this low in Europe Globex. And here's the new week open gap for March 6, Monday, and you can see a previous one above, new week open gap, and way down here is this important level beginning in March 1st, new day open gap. And you can see how the tail of last Friday just touched that, and then it basically left and escape velocity all the way where we're at right now. So that's all I've got on the 60. Let's go to the next chart. I've sectioned off Europe Globex, Asia Globex, and last Friday's. You see the last Friday afternoon with the 603 delta and this high, previous session high in 1934.7, and then you can see in Asia we got above it. So we had definitely a liquidity above last Friday's high. Then we came down in Europe. So this is very instructive because it's basically holding the trap traders short for sure. The algo's working here, and it's still spooling the pivot point, and that's coming in just under 1922. So on the 15-minute is going to be what I'm really core watching right now. And if we can't reach at least 25 here in the first hour of initial balance, I may just hold off till the afternoon session and bypass the morning. I'm just going to watch real closely what happens in the first 30 minutes of RTH open. Again, this level up here is the key to see if we have escape velocity to break above it and keep traveling higher, or can we get back into this fair value gap zone and break below the 22 pivot. So one last chart to close out, and let's do this Renko. Bottom line, the first three charts, we've had a ramp, we've got a camp, and this is including the same thing on the Renko. And because it's so near price on this red Keltner right here, and also near the new week open gap of Monday, March 6th. This is definitely not diddle in the middle. Do not take a trade. So I'm currently flat, and that's because we've got a blue upper Keltner at 1940 and a pivot here at 22. Again, I'm hoping to see the 22, but just not happening here to short at the red. I would like a much better entry. Probably this could be a long entry if we go down to the 22, if anything. So I'm going to just stay and watch the RTH at this point, and it's all about this red getting some escape velocity away from it, either above or below, and those are the levels. So there you have it. Those are the chart breakdowns. Trade them well. And remember, we've got a big week with Powell and non-farm payroll Friday. Take care. Trade them well. Aloha. Bye.